Welcome to St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous, Vishakhapatnam. St. Joseph's open web-based learning platform, So e-Learn, for a soulful, enriching e-learning experience. Department of Physics, St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous presents St. Joseph's massive open online courses in electronic instrumentation as an online 8-week skill effective course for UG level students. Electronic instrumentation. Myself, Dr. C.H. Praveen Babu, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous, Vishakhapatnam, is the instructor of this course. Course salient features: completely open online 8-week course. It is an employment skill oriented course. Any physics or electronic student can register. Weekly release of course content for 8 weeks. It is a 4-quadrant style. It has videos, PPTs, reading material and question bank. An interactive discussion forum is there. Course structure for this course, electronic instrumentation. It has 5 chapters. Each chapter has a video lesson. After listening these video lessons, there is an assignments, study materials and quiz. Course Electronic Instrumentation. Syllabus. Chapter 1, Introduction to Instruments. Lesson 1, Type of Electronic Instruments. Lesson 2, Analog Instruments and Digital Instruments. Lesson 3, DC voltmeter and AC voltmeter. Lesson 4, Construction and Working of an Analog Multimeter and Digital Multimeter. Lesson 5, Sensitivity. Lesson 6, 3.5 display and 4.5 display digital multimeter. Lesson 7, Basic Ideas on Function Generator. Chapter 2, Oscilloscope. Lesson 1, Introduction, Block Diagram of Basic Cathode Ray Oscilloscope. Lesson 2, Cathode Ray Tube. Lesson 3, Electron Gun Assembly. Lesson 4, Screen for Cathode Ray Tube. Lesson 5, Time-based Operation. Lesson 6, Vertical Deflection System, Horizontal Deflection System. Lesson 7, Use of CRO for the measurement of voltage, AC and DC, frequency, phase difference. Different types of oscilloscopes and their uses. Lesson number 9, Digital Storage Oscilloscope. Chapter 3, Transducers. Lesson 1, Classification of Transducers. Lesson 2, Selection of Transducers. Lesson 3, Resistive, Capacitive and Inductive Transducers. Lesson 4, Resistive and Capacitive Touchscreen Transducers used in mobiles. Lesson 5, Displacement Transducers. Lesson 6, Piezoelectric Transducers. Lesson 7, Phototransducers. Lesson 8, Digital Transducers. Lesson 9, Fiber Optic Sensors. Chapter 4, Display Instruments. Lesson 1 Introduction to Display Devices. Lesson 2 LED displays. Lesson 3 7 segment displays. Lesson 4 Construction and Operation Display of Numbers. Lesson 5 Types of SSDs, Common Anode and Common Cathode type. Lesson 6 Limitations of SSDs. Lesson 7 Liquid Crystal Displays. Lesson 8 Principle and Working of 2 into 16 display and 4 into 16 LCD modules. Lesson 9 Applications of LCD modules. Chapter 5 Biomedical Instruments. Lesson 1 Clinical Thermometer. Lesson 2 Stethoscope. Lesson 3 Sphygmomanometer. Lesson 4 ECG machine. Lesson 5 Radiography. Lesson 6 Ophthalmoscope. Lesson 7 Ultrasound Scanning. Lesson 8 Ventilator. Lesson 9 Pulse Oximeter. Lesson 10 Glucometer. Lesson 11 Basic Ideas of CT scan and MRI scan. Learning outcomes. By the end of the course, student can identify various facilities required to set up a basic instrumentation laboratory, acquire a critical knowledge of various electrical instruments used in the laboratory, demonstrate skills of using instruments like CRO, function generator, multimeter, etc. through hands-on experience. Understand the principle and operation of different display devices used in the display systems and different transducers. Comprehend the applications of various biomedical instruments in daily life like BP meter, ECG, pulse oximeter, etc. and know the handling procedures with safety and security.
Assessment method. The module comprises of formative assessment 40 marks, summative assessment 60 marks, weekly online formative assessment, assignment 10 objective questions 10 marks, minimum 6 assignments submission in time compulsory, no pass minimum for formative assessment, summative assessment at the end of course 60 marks, minimum 40% summative, and overall need to qualify will get the course completion certificate and 2 credits.
Thank you for watching this presentation. All the best.